Rumors of a possible merger between the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena UBT and the Congress reportedly triggered a political revolt involving 6 Lok Sabha MPs who are now seeking to align with the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena, according to sources. The 6 Shiv Sena Lok Sabha MPs reportedly revolted over these concerns and met Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla in Delhi, submitting a letter alleging that the party leadership had deviated from its ideology and was planning a merger with the Congress. They also sought to sit alongside the 7 MPs of the Shinde faction in the Lok Sabha. The MPs Sanjay Jadhav, Sanjay Deshmukh, Omraje Nimbalkar, Bhausaheb Wakchaure, Nagesh Patil-Ashtikar and Sanjay Dina Patil reportedly crossed the 2/3 threshold required to avoid disqualification under the anti-defection law. Sources said dissatisfaction had been building for months, with the MPs reportedly unhappy over Uddhav Thackeray's engagement with their constituencies and perceived a lack of support. They also raised concerns about leadership accessibility, including Aditya Thackeray. The revolt reportedly involved late-night travel to Delhi, meetings with Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and a stay in a Noida hotel before the MPs met the speaker on June 17th. Following protest and alleged threats from Shiv Sena UBT workers, Maharashtra police provided Y+ security cover to the 6 rebel MPs. They are expected to meet Eknath Shinde on June 20th and later explain their decision publicly. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.